does someone who's starting right now aspire to become a super affiliate, and what stages or what levels do they need to go up to become a super affiliate? And do they get any special treatment or offers which the others don't receive?
That's a great question. So super affiliates really just refer to the amount of money they make. It's no it's no social standing of any sort. It's just really, it's a way to refer to people that make, $50K in a day or $50K in a month, people that make a lot of money. And the perks are that product owners and network trust them, because you obviously trust someone that has had the energy to put into your offers and bring you that cash flow. Depending on the average order value, because they bring so many sales, they might get better CPAs. Honestly, for a network or a product owner, the desire is to pay as much as we can, because we know that's how we're going to get traffic. For you to aspire to be a super affiliate, there are a couple of things. The most important is to work very hard. I mean, it's not enough just to watch videos. Try to get into a community. There are so many forums, Facebook groups, Skype groups, Telegram groups. Ask questions. Try to get a mentor. If you don't like to work with someone one-on-one, try to listen to YouTube videos. Do a course. There are courses that are not that expensive out there. So in order to become a super affiliate, you need to put in the work. And also, if you can afford going to conferences, this is an important one. And I know it's not easy for everyone to travel, but when you go to a conference, you can become friends with other affiliates. And that's how I've seen a lot of our affiliates grow in the community. Because a Facebook, or YouTube, or Google, whatever your niche is, when you start discussing with someone else that does the same thing, you start giving advice to one another, and then you learn and you grow. So as soon as you can afford to travel, and nowadays there are conferences on every continent, every country, right? It doesn't have to be something in the US. It can be, for us, even if MaxWeb is based in the US, I moved back to Romania a couple of years ago, and I love going to conferences here in Europe, right? I don't always have to fly across the ocean to meet affiliates. So I really, if you're serious about this, traveling and basically building a community, it's an important part.